So I will first quote it in the original French because there's some question as to exactly what Poincaré meant, and there's been changes to the language, so it's always difficult reading mathematical texts that were written some time ago. But in any case, this is what he said. Est-il possible que le groupe fondamental de V se réduise à la substitution identique et que pourtant V ne soit pas simplement connexe? Well, first of all, this is taken out of context. You're supposed to understand that V is a three-dimensional manifold. So by definition, that means it's a three-dimensional object, such that if you take a little neighborhood of any point, it is homeomorphic to a little neighborhood in the standard three-dimensional Euclidean space. And he also assumes that it's a closed manifold. That means it's compact and has no boundary. But the one catching point for us today is that the last term, simply connected, has changed its meaning completely over the 100-year period. So what he meant by this is that if a three-dimensional closed manifold, if it has the property that in any loop in the manifold it can be shrunk to a point, then it's simply connected, meaning it's homeomorphic to the simplest possible model. So in this case, what that last phrase meant to him was that it's homeomorphic to the standard sphere.